Ellie's house is where we stay, loving fishies every day. Coffee cups and games we play, never giving up our way. Through the highs and through the lows, our bright passion always glows. In this home we stand so true, every dream we will pursue. With our hearts we'll see it through. Ellie's house, our vibrant crew. Morning light and evening cheer, fishy swimming crystal clear. Laughter rings from far to near, strong together year by year. Through the highs and through the lows, our bright passion always glows. In this home we stand so true, every dream we will pursue. With our hearts we'll see it through. Ellie's house, our vibrant crew. In this home we stand so true, so true. Every dream we will pursue. With our hearts we'll see it through. Ellie's house, our vibrant crew,
Alright, we're going to start by making jelly slices, and these are the biscuits I used, but you can use graham crackers instead. We're going to grind them up in the food processor. Crush them. In goes half of the crushed biscuits.
It feels like sand.
My food processor only will do one pack at a time, so we're going to do the other packet, put it in, then we're going to get some melted butter and combine the two together. That's the second packet in. I like to keep a few chunks, makes it extra crunchy. Alright, I'll go get the butter and then on to the next step. So now we need to melt 350 grams of butter and mix it with this. Keep in mind I am doing a double batch, but I will be posting the recipe in the comments anyway, or in the description, either one. Alright, let's melt the butter. Alright, this is with the butter combined. It looks pretty good, nice and moist, but not too much, and not really dry. Alright, I'm going to put that in the baking dish and press it down firmly. That's alright. Since your rolling pin probably won't fit in there, the easiest way is once you squish it down like with your fist, like pressing down like that, with clean hands, you need gloves if you want, do it with a glass to get it down there nice and firm and get it packed really, really tight. Once it looks kind of like that, nice and firmly packed down, chuck it in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then we can move on to the next step. Alright, now we've got to mix gelatine powder, boiling water, mix it so it's all dissolved, and then put in sweetened condensed milk. Now we mix that up. It kind of looks like milk, but it's sweetened condensed milk, so technically it is milk. Boiling water, gelatine. Do the hot water and gelatine first. Otherwise it is going to go lumpy. You'll have chunks of gelatine in there. Now all we have to do is gently pour this over the biscuit base. Let me go get it. Alright, we've got it out now. Let's gently pour it. Trying not to lift the biscuit base too much. As you can see, some of the biscuits have lifted. Probably because I rushed it a little bit. Now that goes back in the fridge until it's set, and then we'll be back doing the next layer. Next step is to make jello up as per packet directions. Once it's done, pour it on top of the second layer that was already in the fridge. It should be set. And then slowly pour the jelly on top. You can pour it over the back of a spoon so it doesn't dig into that white layer. Or you can just try and pour it ever so gently. That wasn't gently. If you do it too quick, it digs into the white layer and then they mix together. So far, so good. You need a bit of patience to do this. And then you just sit it back in the fridge for another 4 hours, and once the jelly's set, you can slice it up.
Ellie's house is where we stay, loving fishies every day, coffee cups and games we play, never giving up our way, through the highs and through the lows, our bright passion always glows. In this home we stand so true, every dream we will pursue, with our hearts we'll see it through. Ellie's house, our vibrant crew, morning light and evening cheer, fishy swimming crystal clear, laughter rings from far to near, strong together year by year, through the highs and through the lows, our bright passion always glows. In this home we stand so true, every dream we will pursue, with our hearts we'll see it through. Ellie's house, our vibrant crew. In this home we stand so true, every dream